Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the re-release for the CorkSport front mount intercooler kit for the Mazdaspeed 6. Here at CorkSport, we take pride in still being able to offer and provide aftermarket solutions for niche markets and platforms like the Mazdaspeed 6. The redesign and re-release of the front mount intercooler kit has been a much anticipated project once we announced it about a year ago. We knew if we resurrected this project, we had to bring it back better than before. So that brings us to the main changes, piping. What this means is we've changed the piping, we changed the silicone couplers, we reduced the number of connections. All of this comes down to a kit that is truly new, redesigned, and better for you. So what separates the CS front mount intercooler kit from the rest of the market? Well, there's really two key differences: the pipe routing and the piping design itself. The piping is routed all on the driver's side or the left side of the engine bay. This makes installation simple, as you don't have to move or modify any coolant reservoirs or washer reservoirs or even the power steering system. With this pipe routing, we use an intercooler core that is large and fits completely behind the crash bar, so you also don't have to modify that. Now looking at the piping design, when we redesigned this, we were able to incorporate a new staggered piping sizing. The hot pipe maintains a 2¼ inch piping diameter, goes through the intercooler, exits to a 2½ inch intercooler piping, that then expands to a 3-inch intercooler piping right before the throttle body. This improves throttle response and reduces boost lag. We incorporated the wire reinforced silicone design because we know that long sections of silicone can become more easily compromised at high boost thresholds, and we know that's a concern of yours. So with the wire reinforcing, this issue is eliminated. To really complete the new redesigned front mount kit for the Speed 6, included is all the hardware, mounting brackets, and T-bolt clamps to button up the entire system. Combine that with full color step-by-step install instructions and knowledgeable technical support from the CorkSport staff. This is a really complete kit. Now do note that there is a small amount of trimming to the core support and bumper to make this kit fit properly. But trust me, it's very minimal. So thanks for taking the time to check out the CorkSport redesigned front mount kit for the Mazdaspeed 6. Make sure to subscribe, stay in the know. This is Barrett, tuning out.